Did you know that London is one of the world's leading tech and financial hubs with a projected 250% growth in data jobs over the next 5 years? Imagine tapping into this thriving market with a degree designed to put you at the cutting edge of data and business. Welcome back to the channel. This is Ananya, and today we will be uncovering the London Business School's Master in Analytics and Management, or the MAM. This isn't just a business degree, it's a transformative experience where data meets management and where you learn to turn raw numbers into strategic insights that drive business success. So today we'll take you through to help you decide if LBS MAM program is the launchpad you need for a thriving career in analytics. One of the strongest points of the 12 to 16-month LBS Master in Analytics Management MAM program is within 3 months of graduation, 91% graduates accepted job offers out of 93% of those who have been offered. The graduates are primed to tap into this exciting and lucrative job market, explore significant opportunities in consulting, including boutique companies specializing in data collation and analysis for use in client acquisition and retention, technology and consumer good companies making data-driven commercial and strategic decision points. Other sectors also include finance, healthcare, media, seeking graduates with deep analytical capabilities. And also, you should know that it is not just any job. Graduates step into roles at top consulting firms like McKinsey and BCG, tech giants like Google and Amazon, and innovative startups all around the world. So let's dive into the curriculum. This unique one-year program focuses on the point where business, data, and machine learning all come together or intersect. The program spans 3 terms, each packed with intensive learning and hands-on projects. So you are beginning with the core courses in data analytics, exploring topics like data visualization and machine learning. So each course is meticulously designed to be hands-on, using real-world data sets. So you're not just learning theory, but building practical skills that apply to real business problems. After you've mastered the core, it's time to tailor a degree with interesting electives. So whether you're interested in finance, consulting, entrepreneurship, electives allow you to focus on specific sectors. Some popular choices include AI in business and advanced machine learning applications, all designed to deepen your expertise in analytics. Also, the tuition fee for the Master in Analytics and Management 24 intake are £47,000. Fees are exclusive of any program-related travel expenses, which gives you the flexibility to tailor your student experience and associated costs. Not only this, LBS offers several financing options to support your entire graduate studies, including merit funds and bursaries. Around 20% of the graduate master's class each year receives funding from one of the school's scholarships, which are supported by the school alumni and even external donors. In addition to your own scholarship portfolio, there are also external loan options that admitted students can apply to and explore, including Prodigy and Future Finance. 2024 class profile: 87 students, out of which 41% are women, and all of those coming from 28 nationalities. Is it right for you? So if you're ambitious and driven to achieve real career success in the analytics space, you must have graduated within the last 2 years with a strong undergraduate degree, minimum 2:1 or global equivalent in a subject such as engineering, maths, sciences, computing, economics, accounting, finance, or business and management, or other proof of quantitative ability targeting a business or data analyst career across sectors such as consulting, technology, finance, retail, and healthcare. You should have a track record of excellence, achievement, and leadership potential. Existing knowledge of programming languages and data visualization tools is a plus. So are you ready to apply? Admissions are selective, with a focus on applicants who are passionate about analytics with strong quantitative skills. But if you checklist all the required documents and apply, you might have a chance. So the required documents are: number 1, completed application form, followed by application essays, which is your opportunity to tell us more about yourself and detail your particular interests, values, and goals. So the school is interested to know what motivates you, evidence of leadership and teamwork. And specifically, why are you looking to pursue a master's in analytics and management in the first place? That too, that what you are bringing to the LBS community. Next is GMAT or GMAT Focus or GRE. You must take either the GMAT or GMAT Focus or GRE before you submit your application. Recommended score is minimum 600 plus. Next is one-page CV followed by name and details of a referee. You are only permitted to submit one reference. You must submit the reference via their online system and no pre-written letters of recommendation are accepted. The preference of the school for this particular program is that you choose a current or previous employer who is able to provide holistic insight into your character and abilities. Otherwise, you can go for an academic referee. Next is proof of your English language ability through numerous tests. So if you are not a native speaker, national of a majority English speaking country, you will need to submit an IELTS or TOEFL, Cambridge CPE, CAE, PTE academic or Duolingo English test score. Other tests will not be accepted. Followed by the application fee, which for the MAM is currently set at £125 and is payable online by credit card when you submit your application. Next is a copy of your university transcript. So transcript should include a comprehensive record of completed courses entirely containing grades and class of your degree received and if possible the class ranking as well. Then you will be given a review decision. So if shortlisted for interview, you will be given further information on the entire interview process, which is really selective and will be conducted by a member of the alumni community or a member of the recruitment and admissions team. So are you ready to transform your passion for data into a powerful career in analytics and management? That is for sure that the future of business is data driven, and with the London Business School MAM, you will be in the forefront with the 100% success rate. Anyways, if you're confused whether this is the right fit for you, go tap on our top 10 business analytics overview video for a more inclusive or bird's eye view of this entire admission subject. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more in-depth content on top programs and career insights. This is Ananya signing off. See you later.